Hello guys, welcome to this quick review on the last just concluded trading week based on our previous analysis for the week. I'm just going to do a little bit review on what happens in case you missed any move. You're able to capitalize our bias based on your strategies. I just want us to hop into a little bit on the chart and see what price did. Price is always fractals and we can make use of it. Don't forget, price is being has been a kind of ranging for about a few weeks now. Despite that fact, we can still make a whole lot of profit out of it, knowing full well that price will always range 70% of the time. Okay, so whether it is ranging or it is on one side, we can still get something of it. But let's see here. Last week, what was it I told us? We said I want to go bearish, that any opportunity we'll be seeing, we're going to take it down. And I said even if price is still heading, there are areas we have to look into that we guarantee that move. And I said I want to go bearish. That was last week. All right, and this is on Monday candle. On Monday candle, let's see how price played out. This is on Monday. All right, in my analysis I told us that we might be going bullish on Monday, but we're expecting that price should take off the high of, you remember that, of the Friday. Okay, and I said this is the invalidation level, that the moment price close above it, what do? It means that price might go for higher prices. But that notwithstanding, I said we are still going to look for a bearish move. All right, so you can see the reasons why I told you this was exactly what has happened prior to this time. Look at it now. The reason why I told us that, because one of the week I told us that this is invalidation level. If price closes above it, go for higher prices, and you can see how price closed above it here, and this one dropped here and pushed up. This one even came down and pushed up again. And I gave you another one, which is this top here. This top here, you can see it here, and price closed above it. So you should know what to anticipate. So on Monday, price really went and invalidate our point of interest, invalidate this level here as this swing high. And on Tuesday, what happened? Price took the high. If you check your GBP USD, you see that there was an SMT between EU and GU. Why? Because EU took the high. Okay, EU took the high, and but GU failed to take the high of Monday. So there was an SMT and price dropped. So that was an entry. That was a good setup for Tuesday. A good setup for Tuesday, and boom, price moved down. And what happened on Tuesday? On Wednesday, price take up low of Tuesday and pushed up. Why that up was because, remember, I said this is an invalidation. The price closed above it. What happened? There will be an upside move. So you taking this based on what we anticipated price is also an indication that price might not invalidate this low here. Price on Wednesday respected what we anticipated from here and push towards to the upside. So the moment price takes the low, what is your target? The high, which is a what? Which is the Tuesday high. And boom, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday takes off the high. And because I also said that we are going to look for it, so anytime price takes off the previous day high, what do? You look for a drop. So we have a sell here when price took off the high of Monday. Okay, and on Thursday that the price took off the Monday, a Tuesday high, what do? You look for a sell. So there was a sell here from a lower time frame. I think it should be 15 minutes or 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame, and there was a sell down to target one, to target either 50% of this or the low. And as you can see here, Friday dropped massively. All right, so 2 trades, 3 trades for the week is not that bad if you should be able, if you are following the buyers as we have rightly said for the week. So that is that on Euro USD. Okay, so GBP USD is almost same thing. You can see here priced bought on Monday, right? We're anticipating price to react off this FG, but it was a strong move on that Monday. There was no proper entry from Monday. So there was SMT on Tuesday and EU dropped massive, but GU still drop up to 50% of the Monday range. Okay, and you can see what happened. There was an SMT on Thursday too, on Wednesday, because EU took off the low, but GU did not. So price pushed to the upside and took off this high, the swing high here. All right, and on Thursday we also had an entry like EU, and price dropped down. So 2 to 3 entries. So I said before now that anytime a bias is called, you must not keep buying or selling. Once you can get up to 40-50% on EU or GU, you should be good for that day. 2 to 3 trades a week will also be a good one. So that is that on the review of what we just traded for the last week. So the question is, what next? What are we to anticipate for the new trading upcoming week? Are we going to go down or we go higher? Let's meet tomorrow as I drop a fresh analysis for the upcoming trading week. That should be second week of June. All right, till we meet again tomorrow, I wish you all the best and have a nice week rest. God bless you.